Hello, learners. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Daily Vocab series. Have you ever noticed how day looks brighter only after a long night? That is the magic of contrast, or as English calls its juxtaposition. Today's word is juxtapose. So today's word is juxtapose, which is a powerful word often used in art, literature, and in even daily life. It reminds us that contrast brings clarity. Sometimes we understand beauty, meaning, or truth only when two opposites stand side by side. So, we are going to learn its antonym and synonyms, related idiom and phrases. Synonyms of this word is compare, contrast, collate, pair, align, place side by side. Antonyms separate, divide, isolate, scatter, disperse. So juxtapose is a verb, past tense juxtapose, past participle juxtaposed. It means to bringing two people, two things, etc., very close together, especially in order to show how they are different. Means to place two things side by side to compare और contrast them. तुलना करने के लिए विरोध दिखाने के लिए दो चीजों को पास पास रखना, दो व्यक्तियों या वस्तुओं को एक साथ रखना, विशेषता उनमें भिन्नता दर्शाने के लिए, how they are different. So related idioms and phrases say, side by side, together, or in cooperation, they work side by side to achieve success. Another idiom is draw a comparison, to compare two things, worlds apart, see in contrast, like night and day. So we are going to learn few idiom and phrases related with this word juxtapose also. So let's explore. Example sentences. Example, the documentary juxtaposes modern life with ancient tradition. Second one is the artist often juxtapose light and shadow to create depth. Means juxtapose means a powerful word, which is a powerful word often used in art and literature, and even we are using in daily life also. It reminds us that contrast which brings clarity. Sometimes we understand when two opposites stand side by side. So the proper term for it would be a juxtaposition when we are comparing two things or calling it juxtaposition. Synonyms for juxtapose is first one is contrast. It means to highlight differences between two things. Example sentence: the film contrasted the lavish lifestyle of the rich with the poverty of the poor. तो फिल्म ने कंट्रास्ट किया था लेविस लाइफ स्टाइल रिच का, जो बहुत ही लेविस था, आरामदेह जिंदगी थी रिच का, और पॉवर्टी गरीबी पुअर का. सो कॉन्ट्रास्ट सो किया, दैट इज द वर्ड इज जैक्टापोज. अगेन इट्स मीनिंग इज कंपेयर. मीन्स कंपेयर करना दो थिंग्स को, टू एग्जामिन टू और मोर थिंग्स टू नोट सिमिलैरिटीज एंड डिफरेंसेस. थर्ड मीनिंग इज सेट साइड बाय साइड. It is a literal description of juxtaposition. Set side by side means together or in cooperation. Example sentence you can use also. They work side by side to achieve success. You also work side by side to achieve success. He said that two photographs side by side. Image is an given. Two photographs side by side for comparison or contrast. Old age or young age. Next meaning is place near, place in proximity. Proximity means closeness, samipta. So to put things in close physical or conceptual proximity. So synonyms are contrast, compare, set side by side, place near, place in proximity. So old with new juxtaposition is given. It's a drawing a comparison. Old sheep and new sheep, before and after. So juxtaposition means comparing anything, contrasting, collating, pairing, aligning, or placing side by side. Antonyms just opposite, separate, to move apart or side, divide, disconnect, to break the connection between two or more things, disconnect, divide, to split or separate into parts, disjoin, to separate or detach from something else, remove, to take away or move to a different place. Means alag karna. Idioms and phrases related to juxtaposition, contrast and compare, side by side, set against, putting two and two together, all sphere in love and war, making a mountain out of a molehill. Contrast and compare means keeping two things side by side and finding its similarities and differences. Side by side means to place two things next to each other, set against to place something in contrast to something else. किसी चीज को किसी कंट्रास्ट करना. पुटिंग टू एंड टू टुगेदर मीन्स दो चीजों को कंबाइन करना, सेपरेट पीसेस को के इंफॉर्मेशन को जोड़ना और उससे कंक्लूजन निकालना. To putting two and two together, to combine separate pieces of information to draw a conclusion. All's fair in love and war. It means a phrase. It is a phrase which used to juxtapose two different situations or topics for contrast. Making a mountain out of a molehill means to exaggerate a minor issue by placing it in the context of a larger one. छोटी बात को बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. So idioms first idiom which showing the things are fundamentally different, apples and orange. We are going to learn few idioms which are expressing things are fundamentally different. चीजें एकदम अलग है. Juxtaposition दिखा रहा है. Apples and orange. It means emphasize that two things are so different they cannot be compared in a meaningful way. Example sentence: trying to compare her painting to his sculptures. Painting to his sculptures is like comparing apples and orange. So apples and orange means comparing two dissimilar things, to compare things which are completely different. दो चीजें जो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट उसको कंपेयर करना. कंपेयरिंग द एवरेज वेजेस ऑफ वर्कर्स एंड मैनेजर इज लाइक ट्राइंग टू कंपेयर एप्पल्स एंड ऑरेंजेस. आप कंपेयर कर रहे हैं एक वर्कर की सैलरी को और मैनेजर की, तो यू आर डूइंग द कंपेयरिंग एप्पल्स एंड ऑरेंज, two dissimilar things. Next idiom is as different as night and day. It means also totally different as night and day, totally different. His personality is as different as night and day from his sisters. Next idiom is chalk and cheese. Chalk and cheese is a British idiom which is used to describe two people who are completely different from each other. Chalk and cheese. Even though they are twins, they are chalk and cheese. Even though they are twins, they are chalk and cheese. Polar opposites, it describes people or things that are completely opposite to one another. Polar opposite. Politically, they are polar opposites, like BJP and Congress. Worlds apart, used when two people have very different opinions, ideas, or personalities. When it comes to politics, we are world apart. When it comes to politics, we are worlds apart. BJP and Congress are worlds apart. So to be completely different from each other, David and Sam are like chalk and cheese. You and your friend are like chalk and cheese. So chalk and cheese means if two people are chalk and cheese, they are completely different from each other. Example, I don't have anything in common with my brother. We are like chalk and cheese. दो भाइयों के बीच में कोई समानता नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इडियम नाइट एंड डे. इट इज आल्सो कंपेयरिंग टोटली डिफरेंट, strong contrast or a huge difference between two things which is describing situation or things which are completely opposite in terms of quality, appearance or any other aspect. Example, his work ethnic now is like night and day कंपेयर टू 2 years ago. अभी जो वो काम करता है और पहले के 2 साल के पहले में काफी अंतर है. जो हिज वर्क एथनिक्स नाउ इज लाइक नाइट एंड डे कंपेयर टू 2 years ago. नेक्स्ट idiom is making mountain out of molehill, राई का पहाड़ बनाना. So this proverb also juxtaposes a small thing, molehill, with a large one, a mountain, to describe exaggerating problem. It is just a tiny mistake. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. You are responding to anyone. It is just a tiny mistake. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. All is fair in love and war. It juxtaposes the idea of love and war to suggest that in this extreme situation, conventional rules do not apply. कन्वेंशनल रूल्स नहीं अप्लाई करता है, जो ट्रेडिशनल रूल्स वो अप्लाई नहीं करता है. सो ही चीटेड ऑन द टेस्ट एंड सेड ऑल इज फेयर इन लव एंड वार. He cheated on the class test and said all is fair in love and war. So make a mount out of a molehill means to make something seem larger, better, worse, etc. किसी बात को बढ़ा चढ़ा कर कहना, हिंदी में इसको कहते हैं राई का पहाड़ बनाना. So she is making a mountain out of a molehill over a simple mistake. Don't exaggerate. I was only 2 minutes late, not 20. So exaggerate is a new word. It means exaggerate. Exaggerate it to make something seem larger, better, worse, etc. Exaggerate. Exaggerate. So make a mountain out of a molehill. So you are making a mountain out of a molehill. So it means exaggerating a minor problem into a major one, derived from the idea of turning a small molehill into a mountain. So don't make a mountain out of a molehill. It is just a minor mistake. So kindly don't make a mountain out of a molehill. It is just a minor mistake. Idioms highlights similarities as a result of comparison. So these phrases focus on the unexpected parallels that can be revealed through juxtaposition. It is a revealing about the something which is a totally similar. The two or more things are very similar and there is a little difference between them, much of a muchness. There are little difference between them. वो बिल्कुल ही सेम है लेकिन उसमें कुछ थोड़ी सी डिफरेंस है, अलग अलग है वो. So उसको हम होमोजेनस कहते हैं, सिमिलर, अलाइक, आइडेंटिकल, इंटरचेंजेबल, वेरी सिमिलर, very alike, practically identical, practically indistinguishable. Example sentence: it is hard to choose between the two cars, they are much of a muchness. दो कार को चूज करना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था क्योंकि वह बिल्कुल ही सेम था, बहुत बहुत कम ही डिफरेंस था. सो मच ऑफ ए मचनेस. Next is cut from the same cloth. Cut from the same cloth refers to two people who are very similar in character or behavior. Example: you are and your brother are cut from the same cloth. तुम और तुम्हारा भाई बिल्कुल ही सेम ही कैरेक्टर में, बिहेवियर में. You and your brother are cut from the same cloth. Cut from the same cloth, having similar nature, similar behavior, similar character, to be very similar. So father and son are cut from the same cloth and even sound alike on the telephone. Birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together means that people with similar characters, behaviors, and attitudes tend to associate with one another. Similar people find each other. She is always hanging out with the same type of people. Birds of a feather flock together. So birds of a feather flock together. चोर चोर मौसेरे भाई, एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे, एक जैसे लोग एक साथ रहते हैं. People with similar interests grouped together, birds of a flock together. People with the same taste and interest will be found together. Phrases for placing things together, said by side by side. It means a literal and common phrases for placing two things together side by side. Example, you can say they worked side by side to achieve success. You also work side by side to achieve success. A literal and common phrase for placing two and or people next to each other. You and your friends are working side by side to achieve success. Next is set side by side or place alongside. These are verbs that describe the action of juxtaposing. It means you can use word juxtapose to compare or contrast, adjoin to be next to or equate to show a parallel. Next phrase for placing things together is in comparison with, in contrast to. So comparing or contrasting two terms or ideas. Next phrase is on the one hand and on the other hand. On the one hand or on the other hand. A structure which is used to present two opposing or contrasting ideas. So on one hand, on the other hand, these phrases to examine two contrasting point or opposite. So example is given: you should I choose as my best man. Who should I choose as my best man? On the one hand, Brian is more reliable. On the other hand, I have known Malvian longer. किसको हम चूज करना हमें चाहिए? एक एक तरफ तो ब्राइन बहुत ही ट्रस्टवर्दी है, दूसरे तरफ क्या है, मैं मेरा जो दोस्त है उसको मैं कई साल से जान रहा हूँ. सो वन हैंड, ऑन द अदर हैंड. सो वी हैव लर्न its antonym, synonyms, related idiom and phrases. Tomorrow we will learn another interesting words, antonyms, synonyms, related idiom and phrases. Keep consistent, maintain consistency.